Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to configure set and reset button in WinCC Unified. These buttons are commonly used in automation. Turn on a process with one on button and with one off button. A set reset button is a pair of buttons used in SCADA and HMI system to control the binary operation like on and off. So set button turn a process or device on and keep it on until a reset command is given. And the reset button turn, turn the process or device off and keep it off until it's again not set. So here you can see we have a pump, and below the pump we have two buttons. On button is we configure for the set commands, and off button we configure as a reset functions. So once we press the button, the set function is executed and our pump is turned on. And once we press the off button, so our reset function is executed and our pump is off. So in this tutorial, we'll see how we can configure it. So let's see practically. So we already created this project in our previous tutorials. So we'll use the same project. So in the graphic element, we'll take the button and then just drag and drop over our overview window. I will write just the name on. Width I will use 100. Similar manner, I will take another button. I will off and 100. I will select. I will align. And these are all my blank button. I will just simply copy, paste it. Same button for pump. So in this tutorial, like we configure it with two different methods. These one is with script and second is without script. So first we configure this button without script. Just select the button, go in the events, select the press, and then expand the system functions, then the tags, and select the set it in tag. Then we'll select our tag, for example, pump 01 start with or pump 1, and similar manner go in the event, then press, then the system functions, then go in the tags and select the reset bit in and select our start. So now for pump 2, we'll configure the script. So select the button, then go in the events, then select the press and select here for the script and right here HMI runtime dot select the tag, then system function dot set bit in tag, and after that we will put our tag name. In our tag name is perform, right click, go in overview, and here tag 2. Uh, Easier to start button, and after that put the value of our bit. Okay, that's it. Now I will configure for the second, for the off button, same event, press, then skip, and here write HM X dot system functions and set, select the set, and then we'll put our tag name, our tag, then bit 0. That's it. Save our project. Now we'll download our project is successfully downloaded. Our runtime file. Click over the WinCC Unified runtime. The username. So I will press F11 for full screen. So now if I will press on button, so you can see now my bit is set and will continue set until I will not press the reset button, the off button. Once I press the off button, now my pump is being stopped. Similar manner, script function that we link with this button that also working perfectly. So Alhamdulillah, we'll learn in this tutorial video how we can configure, set and reset button the WinCC Unified. So thanks for watching this video.